Hello. Hi, Madam Adeline. So today, our group would like to present or share about our new application that we call it as Wake Up Call. But before that, I would like to introduce our group member first. Our leader is Muhammad Aiman bin Hamzah, then followed by Izzy Sandy, then Sharifah Fatma Zara, and last is me, Valera Ina Anapali, and all of us are from AS1204C. Now, let us move forward to the next slideshow. Okay, first, let us start with the product description or the description of this application. Wake Up Call is a mobile application that enables the students to join the class automatically. Due to this pandemic, online learning is one of the platforms that take over the face-to-face learning. Many schools and a lot of students from universities started to use the online learning platform to ensure that students keep on learning without being left behind. However, due to the reason that online learning is more tiring compared to the face-to-face learning, and a lot of students able to skip from join the classes as they tend to oversleep and forget about the classes because they stay at home and they focus more to home activities compared to school activities. So to ease this problem or to overcome this problem, we came out with this application that we call it as Wake Up Call or WUC. Wake Up Call, it provide a customized timetable. So students can fill up the timetable and they can design it by their own favorite or what they want because we make it as a customized. Next is it is apps that help the student to automatically join the classes. So how they can automatically join the classes? They can join the classes automatically by there is an alarm that will alert the students. So when the alarm turns off, student will automatically enter the classes with the link that the lecturer provided. So with this alarm, it can help the student to wake up so they will not skip to join the classes. And last, it can link with the university timetable generator, so it is more easy for students as they didn't need to fill it up by their own. They can link it with timetable generator, so it is done. The thing they can do is just set the alarm on. So this is the description about the product. I mean about the application. Now let us move on to the next presenter.
Thank you, Fatma. Hello, I will now be presenting the product design of our application. My name is Izzy Sandy and my student ID is as such. I will start my presentation by showing the user interface of our application. The user can navigate the application by interacting with the icons. As you can see here on the far left, we have alarm, settings, and customize icons. Clicking on each icon will bring the user to another page. Besides that, the user can add notes or task reminders on the task reminder column down here. This interface is customizable where the user can change the background wallpaper and the font. Next, I will be showing the flow diagram of how our apps function and their navigations. From the user interface, users can add or edit notes by typing on the designated column, which is the task reminder column. Next, the users will be able to customize the alarm interface. The users can change the wallpaper and the design of it, whether to double tap or by sliding the bar to turn it off. Next, the users could also set the alarm ringtone, whether selected from their own media playlist or use the default system sound. Besides that, users can add or edit alarm. Secondly, users can click on the setting icon to select language preferences. Users could also enable or disable smart assistants. Lastly, users can customize the whole theme of this application, whether dark or light. Other than that, Users can change the background of the interface and choose it from their gallery or custom. Now, I will be showing the additional features that we have on our app, which is a pull-down notifications.
Pikachu?
This reminder can of course be enabled and disabled. Lastly, this is the alarm clock user interface that I mentioned earlier. It is definitely customizable. The alarm will automatically snooze for 3 minutes when not ready is initiated. And that is all from me. I will pass the next presentation to Muhammad Aiman. Thank you.
Next, we are going to talk about benefits to mankind. The added advantages of this application is to enable the students to be more alert of their surroundings. It also allows students to be more disciplined because students need to wake up for class and be present at all time. Being focused is an important key to be successful in life. By this, students can practice being more focused in class as the lecturer are monitoring them by the app. Next, we will be talking about uniqueness and novelty, and it will be presented by Aiman.
Thank you, Izzy. Hi, madam. My name is Muhammad Aiman, and I would like to present on our app's novelty and uniqueness. First of all, one of our software application uniqueness that differentiate it with other apps is our product can fetch the class schedule in one tap when linked with the university timetable generator software. This is a much more effortless and straightforward feature that is not applicable to Google Calendar. The advantage of this is that the students can save more time while setting up their alarm as it is only one tap away, whereas if they choose to use Google Calendar, they will have to set the alarm for their classes one by one, and that is not efficient. Other than that, the students can turn off the notification for the alarm when there is a foreseen change. For example, when the lecturer or teacher inform the students of the cancellation of a class. Next, when the students have filled up their class timetable in the software will automatically set an alarm for the students, and the students also can easily join the link that lecturer has provided. Lastly, the lecturer also benefit on this software because they can detect whether the students is still sleeping or not by checking on the student's status on the application. I think that's all from me. Next, I will pass this video presentation to Fatma.
Next is the final part, which is potential commercialization. First is potential commercialization to students. This app mostly attracts students studying in university and in secondary or primary school, as most classes are conducted virtually. This helps them to keep track of their schedule by waking them up based on the timetable provided. Other than that, they will be automatically added into a meet if that lecturer has set on the application. Next is potential commercialization to lecturer. Not only this app beneficial for student, but it is also beneficial for lecturer. This is because it allows the lecturer to know whether the student have waken up or not. This is known by students pressing the stop ringing button of the alarm, and this will notify the lecturer that the students have woken up. Other than that, lecturer can also upload their Google Meet link so students will know whether they have class or not virtually. Next is potential commercialization to universities. This app can be promoted to universities and schools as it is very easy and convenient to use. Using this app in a huge scale does not only bring benefits to the creator of the application, but the students' academic quality can be improved by this because students will have to attend class and lecturer can monitor their academic progress. Just like any other app, this app also has a commercialization strategy. Other than promoting this app to universities, the strategy to reach to students are by sharing the link of the application to WhatsApp, so it will be sent to many others, and by this many will know. Other than sharing in WhatsApp, a video tutorial on how to use this application can be uploaded to YouTube so the range of users can be widened.